Hello guys, this is a LW-7 Backhoe attachment 3-point for a standard tractor. I'll be making a review over it. We just took it off the tractor. That's a pump. That's optional. You can have it installed with your own hydraulics. There's a tank in here. This is fairly new. It's less than a year old. Those are the pistons to stabilize it. My supplier had it with the free hose coverings. You can have them, you may not have them. Like I said, that's a pump. That's optional. The reservoir is full. Again, this is LW-7 Backhoe 3-point attachment. That's a fill gap. This is the seat for the operator. These are the joysticks. These are to lower down the arms, left, right. These are to move the boom. That's I just installed that sticker. It's not a Kubota, it's LW-7. Those are to move the booms, either how it says right there. There's some stickers on the side. That's the other arm. Didn't have the wrapping on the hose protection, so I just put what I had. And then that's the main, the center, everything is greased up. It needs to be re-greased again. This is thick steel. It's probably maybe like 1/2 inch thick. It's very nice welded. That's the view from the inside, the back. These cylinders are pretty big. Everything is kind of tough. It's very reinforced. It is a claw. It was had a free claw for logs or to move stuff around. And that's a 12 inches bucket, 30 centimeters bucket. I actually bought a 24 as well, but I think it comes standard with a 16. I just changed. I was doing some septic, so this is what I'm using. 12 inches wide bucket. It has some holes on the bottom for drain. It has nice set of teeth. So this is it. It's pretty handy. You can buy them online. They're Chinese, but they're good quality, high quality. They're not as good as Kubota, but for the fraction of less than half of the price, you can get a very nice, decent shape 3-point backhoe. Have it in my tractor right now. It has a carryall, but this is a big tractor, 70 horsepower tractor. Alright, so if you want to buy them, you can buy them online. You can import them directly from China. It's a little more of a hassle, but you can do it yourself or buy them. So these are Chinese LW-7. Well, I've seen them also as V as a boy, W7 backhoes. They're tough steel, thick steel. I do recommend them. But if you, of course, if you can get a standard backhoe, it's better than these. But if you just want it for a little small projects in a farm, small ranch, you can get this one. I am pleased with it. If you can just please like, that'll help me a lot. Thank you very much. And the price is about 3,000, 4,000, depends when or how you get it. US dollars. Thank you. Please like.